The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is the ultimate solution for making shakes and smoothies on the go. This cordless and rechargeable blender is designed for convenience, whether you're at home, the gym, or traveling. With an 18 ounces BPA-free vessel, it offers a perfect serving size for fresh and nutritious drinks. The powerful motor and stainless steel blades ensure smooth blending of fruits, ice, and protein powders. It quickly creates creamy smoothies and shakes without lumps. The leak-proof lid with a sip spout makes it easy to drink directly from the container without mess or spills. One of the standout features is the rechargeable battery, which allows you to blend anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. A single charge provides multiple blends, making it a perfect travel companion. The dishwasher-safe components ensure effortless cleaning, so you can spend less time washing and more time enjoying your drinks. The Ninja Blast is not just about convenience, it also offers durability and performance. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, a post-workout shake, or a quick meal replacement, this portable blender delivers great results every time. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use personal blender, the Ninja Blast is a fantastic choice. Its portability, strong performance, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for health-conscious individuals. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.